Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for Project Level Up. Project Level Up was created by Sophie Alexandra. She is of course linked in my description box. This project is a combination of many other projects. You typically randomize an eyeshadow palette. For level 1, you use every single shade in that palette one time and hit one pan. For level 2, you randomize a palette, use every shade in that palette 2 times and hit 2 pans, etc. I am only going to level 3 before I reset, but most go to level 5, but I'm just not very efficient at panning eyeshadow, though I try very hard and I wish I were. The goal is obviously for me to hit pan in this project as well, but I'm giving myself a 25 use goal and I'm able to roll it out at that stage as well. For level 1, my introduction, which I will link in the cards, we had a really wild card prompt that I did have on my wheel because I believe it was Caitlin Costello did this last year or the year before, but it had never come up on my actual wheel before, so it wasn't even on my radar that this would be my level 1 palette. And that was a BYOP palette. So what I did was I took all of my singles, my magnetic singles, as well as my individual shadows, randomized 9 shades that became my BYOP. So I had to use each of the shades one time and hit one pan in order to roll out this palette. I will insert a clip of what this palette was looking like when I rolled it in, all of my shades, the swatches, etc. And this is what my palette is looking like today. I hope you are able to see that we definitely got some usage going. And I did decide that the shade I'm going to try and hit pan on is the one in the center, which is an old school Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Unexpected. The Makeup Geek shadows are the oldest shadows within my collection, I believe, so I want those to get some love before I decide to declutter them eventually, as they are getting so old. Without faffing on too much, I will say I have used every single shade at least one time, so I have met that goal. The only other shade aside from the one I am focusing on that I've used more than once is this Ofra black shade. I believe this is called Onyx, but they don't have the names on the back. I did use this black shade twice. I do not yet have a pan to share with you, but I have reached for Unexpected 15 times. There is definitely a dent going in there. This shade really needs to be built up. It is quite dried out, but I am wearing this today. I've been creating a lot of purpley or mauve toned looks, especially as I do have a purple in my Pan Those eyeshadows as well, so I've been pairing those two together quite often. I don't know if I'm that close to hitting pan. I feel like I am not. So right now my intention is to use this shade 10 more times, meet my 25 usage goal, and then roll this out. I will say I have really loved working on just a random selection of singles. I agree with, there's a few comments that said I should keep this going, or this could be an entire project in itself, which I totally agree. However, I am going to use my Tiny Decisions wheel to roll my level 2 palette with you today, as I have already met my 1 use per shade goal. I am more than halfway to meeting my hit pan or 25 use goal. I'm comfortable with rolling in my next palette, and I've just been kind of itching to do so. I was intending this year to finish a level before moving on to another one, but I also don't want to get bored in this project, so let's randomize level 2. I'm really not sure how up to date my wheel is. If I roll in a palette that I have decluttered, obviously I will go in and delete that, and then if I roll a palette that it's currently in a project pan already, I will re-roll. So let's One moment, please. The Tarte Toasted palette. Oh, that's gonna be really hard. Let me go grab that.
You had a repair truck, a log truck with no fuel, and a fuel truck with zero fuel in the tank. What would you do?
Here is my Tarte Tartelette Toasted palette. I worked on this palette a lot in 2023. Last year I kind of set it aside. I used it just a handful of times, but was really kind of craving a break from it. But I do love this palette. It's a very warm tone palette and it will go really well with one of my shades in Pandos eyeshadow, so I'm very happy to roll this in. My goal with this, as it is level 2, will be to use every single shade in here 2 times. I do have 3 pans already in here, so the goal is to hit 2 additional pans, but I know that hitting pan in these shades takes like 75 to 100 uses each. So I'm going to end up using 2 of these shades 25 times, and that is perfectly okay with me. The shimmers in here are not my favorite, but I love the mattes. So I like Sunrise too. Okay, before I fully commit, and I might end up using quite a number of these shades, more than 2 times, here's what I'm thinking. Either Cashmere or Latte, these 2 kind of lighter matte shades, they would be so easy to just buff into my crease on just like a daily basis. I'm probably leaning towards Latte. I love Sunrise as a subtle brow bone or inner corner highlight. That one is really beautiful. And the other one I'm considering is Fireside here, this really deep brown. It would be good as a deepening up shade. I will try it in my eyebrows, but I feel like it's going to be much too warm, or as a liner shade. I want to scrape off. Flame has quite a bit of hard pan as well. Yeah, I'm going to kind of scuff that one up a little bit with a spoolie. I'm really looking forward to using this actually, especially as I'm really guilty at when I focused really hard on a palette for a long period of time. I then crave a break from it, but I rarely come back to it. So I did hit the 3 pans and then have barely used it since. So it'll be really nice to kind of work towards 2 more pans, though as I mentioned, this will most certainly be a 25 uses sort of situation, just because these pans are so deep. It's so hard to hit pan on them. Yeah, like 100-ish uses each for me personally, but yeah, there are 4 on my radar right now. I will insert a clip of what this palette is looking like as of today, along with swatches. I'm so excited about this project. I love watching everyone's updates. I just wish that I personally could move through this project a little bit faster. I was thinking of reducing and doing like the light version where I use X number of shades 10 times each, but I really do want more pans in my collection, so it's forever a struggle. My goal for my next update will be to have used my Makeup Geek shade 10 more times and able to roll this palette out. The BYOP Build Your Own Palette prompt is still on my wheel, so we might roll it in again at some point in the year. And I think by the next update, I should have at least used this palette, no pan left behind. Maybe not all the shades 2 times, but hopefully all the shades once. I feel like that will be a good place to start and have decided which 2 I'm going to focus on for my 25 uses. Do you participate in Project Level Up? Are you doing it the way that Sophie intended? Are you going to level 5 and then back down to 1? Let me know how you're doing this project if you are doing it in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys. If you enjoyed today's update, definitely give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!